So another big benefit is the retirement package, right? So we offer the 401k,
Yes, sir.
with the Roth and a 5% match. You know, just a big benefit, you know, because we want people to retire. And we want people to have some money to be able to retire, and not just, you know, in this industry, we've met all kinds of people. They just work and work and work, and then retirement is difficult.
And as a young guy, you know, I was never really taught, you know, I didn't take any financial literacy classes or anything like that. And Tri-Point also offers Financial Peace University. It's mandatory for every technician to take, and it teaches you that financial literacy, 401k with Roth RIAs, and the importance of them, and how important it is to invest in your future.
Yeah.
And we need to understand that as individuals, and y'all invest in the technicians
Right.
as well.
We've got a lot of success stories with people in our team from Financial Peace University, where like they came on board and had no idea, and a few years later, like no credit card debt, paid off vehicles, like working on knocking down their house payments. It's a real blessing for us to be able to see that and to see that working. And it's not just a requirement for technicians; it's a requirement for anybody on the team, right? It's a requirement for raises. It's a requirement for advancement, right? You have to go to Financial Peace University. It's not like a college course, right? It's like a 9-week course, once a week for 9 weeks, and like an hour and a half. You know, it's family involved, so you take your family, and so you do it as a family and learn.